Hello, my dear friends. A.S.S Science Foundation is once again here. So today we are sharing the details of all the successful candidates in the series of information which we have collected from the students, right? So whatever information we collected in the one go, we are sharing with the community. So the highest scorer from the center program is Vandana Man with 226 marks for September 2022 NET-JRF. Then followed by Tanya Sharma. She also scored 216 marks. Then followed by Anuj Sharma, who got a JRF and have scored 216. Then Shubham Kumar scored 212 marks. Then coming Shivangini Sharma, she also qualified a JRF and she got 210 marks in the result. Then Shagun Sharma, he scored 194 marks. Then Abhishek, he scored 194 marks. Then Gunjan Basoya, she also scored 194 marks. Followed by Bharti, she scored 184 marks. So these are the scores with respect to the JRF, the people who qualified the JRF. Then other people who qualified the NET-LS have also scored well, right? So we will be sharing with you guys the scores. So Barkha Bisht, she qualified the NET-LS with 188 marks. Then Satrupa Bandyopadhyay, she has scored extremely well, but unfortunately by one question she skipped the JRF and she scored 204 marks. Then we have Alka. Alka also scored 200 marks. Then followed by Dimple Kaushik. So Dimple Kaushik also scored 198 marks. Then we have Ankita Sau. She qualified the NET with 198 marks. Then we have Gunjan Chawla. So Gunjan Chawla also qualified the NET-LS with 198 marks. Pooja Gupta, she qualified NET-LS with 196 marks. Then we have Jagriti Dadwal. She also qualified a NET-LS with 194 marks. Then we have Dipali. Dipali also scored 194 marks in this category. Then we have Shilpi. Shilpi also scored 194 marks. Sonakshi Mehrotra, she qualified the NET-LS with 194 marks. Then Manisha also qualified a NET-LS with 192 marks. Then we have Ankita in the series. So Ankita also qualified the NET-LS, right? And with 174 marks. Then we have Akshita Sharma. She qualified the NET-LS with 190 marks. Arun Kumar qualified NET-LS with 190 marks. Mansi Varshne, she qualified the NET-LS with 190 marks. Then Rahul Kumar. So Rahul Kumar also qualified the NET-LS with 188 marks. Then we have Rajkumar. Rajkumar qualified the NET-LS with 186 marks. Then we have Manpreet Kaur. She qualified a NET-LS with 186 marks. Then we have Arvind Kumar. Arvind Kumar qualified the NET-LS with 186 marks. Sana Liaquat Khan, she also qualified the NET-LS with 184 marks. Then we have Kumari Rishu. She qualified the NET-LS with 184 marks. Then we have Alka Yadav. She qualified the NET-LS with 184 marks. Then we have Anuradha. Anuradha qualified the NET-LS with 180 marks. Then we have Sahil. Sahil also qualified the NET-LS with 178 marks. Then we have Sakshi. Sakshi qualified the NET-LS with 178 marks. Then we have Kola Avinash Rai. He also qualified the NET-LS with 176 marks. Then we have Devesh Vishwakarma. So Devesh Vishwakarma qualified the NET-LS with a score of 176 marks. Then we have Anjali Singh. So Anjali Singh qualified the NET-LS. Anjali Singh qualified the NET-LS with 174 marks. Then we have Taruna. So Taruna qualified the NET-LS with 168 marks. And then we have Utkarsh Prakash. So Utkarsh Prakash qualified the NET-LS with 192 marks. So these are the details in first round which we have received and we have shared with the community. So you can see that all the students have really worked hard with the faculty team and the guidance which is given to them or up to the marks, and they have scored really well in this result. Few more details we will also receive. The moment we will have the full details, we will share with the community. So this was about the results, and in spite of higher cutoff, our students have scored as high as 226 marks, which is really a remarkable feat. And now our entire team is working in the placement of these students in the prestigious institute of the India, such as ISC Bangalore, ISER, IIT, CSIR Labs, and other top 10 university of the India, where we will be preparing them well for the research proposal and the mock interviews, which will be happening at our center. So these kind of guidance will be provided to the students now. At present, we have started the fresh batch for NET-JRF May 2023. And the opening for GATE, Ecology, Evolution, Environmental Sciences and Engineering is also open. Those people who have filled up the GATE is coming in February. And we have all the three modes of program: the regular program at Delhi Center in Shastri Nagar, where we have our physical center available. Classes are going almost 6 days a week there. Then we have the live online program daily, where you will be taught 3 hours a day, where 2 hours for subject and 1 hour for paper 1, along with the records of the same. Then you can also go for correspondence with video program, which is also very effective, where the students are having lesser time to invest and they are just want to have more of the self-study. The entire team will be guiding you for the upcoming exam. So these are the programs which are available. Apart from that, the people who are interested in the applications or higher studies of master's or PhD program in USA or Europe, they can reach us for the counseling purpose, right? So these are the programs which are available. Once again, I would like to congratulate on the behalf of entire faculty team of A.S.S Science Foundation to all the successful candidates. And we will make sure that every one of you will land at the place you are deserve to be. Like if you are aiming very high, like some IIT or some CSR lab or some ISER or some NIT, we will be preparing you people with respect to the research proposal as well as the interview as per that. So with this, I will congratulate every one of you who have worked so hard and brought glory to the foundation. We will keep supporting you guys till you achieve your final destination. Thank you very much.